Slide 5 is the beginning of the apply portion of this HyperDoc. This slide can be introduced at the end of the movie as a reflection and a way to introduce the project portion of this project. Notice that it ties back into the essential question from the beginning. It asks the students, what would they do or say to someone in Marshall's position if they had the chance before it was too late? Moving into slide 6, this is the project introduction. First, pick a style, then choose the tool. Students are encouraged to think, would I write a letter, a poem, maybe compose a song, create a video, record a podcast, possibly looking from that explore portion to the student projects that are there to get some inspiration. They have a choice here, and it's a really important part of this project. They can choose what fits their needs to express themselves in the best way possible. They also have choice for how they want to showcase this project. These are some possible web tools that would work really well for the ideas above. But it's left with a question mark for you to edit. If these options are not available to your students, then you can feel free to swap them out or put something different. Each of these has a free version, so be sure you are not feeling pressured to buy their paid version. Students can create anything for free on these. I encourage students to search YouTube for tutorials if they're stuck in learning any of these web tools in order to build their project. I also would encourage you to include other as an option in order to meet your students' needs for creating their project. So you can see, for example, on the student copy on this page, I did list some other possibilities, maybe an Instagram story or a Snapchat or even a TikTok. I do see a lot of students creating amazing works of art using these platforms. And just to show you an example, this idea of creating a duet where a student may sing, this might inspire them. Now, a duet invites another person to join on in this video, where then the second person would sing their portion. I could see this being a great collaborative project. So if you want to see an example of where they did it together, co-written by these two, where one sings the blue lines, one sings the green lines. Tell you I'm fine, but you wouldn't believe me if you knew things that cross my mind. It could be really powerful them to be able to showcase their thinking and their feelings and the themes around this project. This is just one idea and one possibility. But some may want to do a non-digital project, a painting, a mural, or build something. Choice is critical for this piece, along with helping them to decide how they will share, whether through photos or they might package it on a Google Slide or Google Docs if it is not something that is a digital project. Again, notice I'm on the student copy right now, where I have those examples at the bottom for options, and feel free to delete or edit if that is not something that you want for your students. Back on the teacher's guide, you'll notice in the speaker notes that I've put 3 days to complete this project. Depending on when you've started, when you've stopped, and how much time you have, this may need to be altered.